Dude, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. I know you are. I know you're having a great day. We're gonna be doing a really cool part. I was just perusing the internet and I found this. This is a, I think it's just like a TRD edition or release edition, but it's an OEM red stitching with red two-toned, really good looking. I love it and I'm gonna install it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. It's really quick. You can do this with all kinds of steering wheels. So here's my OEM one, which is, it's very aesthetic and pretty. It's just it just wore out, which I think they're known for doing that. I would keep this, but it wore out. So I've been shopping and you know, it's funny, my old Toyota Celica, their steering wheels are leather wrapped. I think these are too, but the leather just lasts forever. A couple things, I don't have a steering wheel badge, but I'm gonna install one of those eventually. I got one ordered, and then I'll have them available on my website, to be honest. Then we're gonna install this as well. This is a little black bracket. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So first steps first, I've already done it. You're gonna wanna pop your hood and disconnect your 10mm so that there's no electricity going to the airbag. So you're gonna need a 10mm. So let's do that. We already did that. And then we're gonna go over to there on the car. I'm gonna show you how to release with a Phillips or flathead screwdriver, how to release the airbag. That actually might be a better idea, just to show you on the steering wheels came with an airbag. So on the side right here, there's gonna be these little holes. You're gonna push the flathead screwdriver in there, and then you'll pop a little release clip. I can actually see it. Maybe you guys can see it from back. If I can, I'll show you once it comes off. But once you figure it out, and I'll explain it here in a second, you'll see how simple it actually is. So very simple. There's just these little pushes on them. You just push on these little releases that hold it in right here. So do you see these little keepers? And what you do is when it comes through, you're gonna be doing it while it's on the wheel. You're gonna push that and it will release it right there. Do you guys see that visual? Yeah, easy, easy, easy. And then it'll release it. There's 3 of them and it holds it in, clicks right in, and then you're on your merry way. Okay, so same 3 things. You push here, and then push down below. This is the airbag that the car came with, connected to a clock spring. So you're gonna wanna disconnect this clock spring right here because I don't know which airbag's in better condition, but we'll switch out for the better one. Again, disconnect your battery. So just push down on these little clips here. Okay, this is a 17mm. We're gonna use an impact to break it loose and an extension and just lefty-loosey, and it should release the steering wheel. Okay, just like that, the steering wheel's out. Lefty-loosey on the, with an impact. You're gonna want an impact. You get these little battery ones, they're like $100, they're amazing, been a lifesaver. I never grew up with having that, and now I have them. Oh, amazing to work on cars. And then you wiggle the steering wheel. I do top and bottom, so top, bottom, and then it comes out. We're gonna go over to the workbench and transfer some of the parts over, and I'll show you guys how to do that. So the OEM kind of has this like silver trim everywhere, and the RC OEM, so I guess they're both OEM, has this black. So we're gonna use the Phillips head. This is why I wanted a Phillips head. You can purchase this. I believe this little plaque here, I think they're expensive. I think they're like $40, $50 for this little piece of plastic. But it's real worth it if you're gonna go from OEM to OEM. Look at this like faded condition here. Oh, I'm so excited to put this one on here. Will this one last forever? I'm not sure. It is secondhand, but it does look really good. Wait till we put the black plastic on. We're also gonna be installing the OEM cruise control. So 2 Phillips heads as well. You'll wanna do this before reinstalling that black plastic cover. I feel like I've done this before, but what I did last time was I installed a clock spring, and a lot of people have found that really helpful. So I hope you find this video is helpful as well. This will just come out with this little plug here. It's one little unit. I did have to transfer. So this is called DD, and this is a DH. The DH is, does have a hole for cruise control, and this one didn't. This is from Japan. It did come with a Japanese part number, a little sticker. So it must be like an RC version as well, where they didn't have cruise control over there. Pretty cool, but definitely want cruise control in the US. We have big, long roads. Okay, so we're all done. I redid the 10mm. I connected it. Here is the final product. Look how cool that looks. Wow, that looks so good. I love it. It's really nice. I do need a black steering wheel badge, which I'll be doing. But I'm so glad I did the lower black. This is just a huge difference. You should do that. The RC is what it is. I did a video already to black out the FRS interior. I did here, 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 there, the entire dash. I did a lot of it, and it looks really good. This is a great look. I even did the shift knob. It's in black now. That is so cool. So we got a couple of red accents. The FRS right here comes with these little red on the shoulders, and then I got red there. And then of course the vehicle, the car itself is red. So, wow, that looks great. Super easy how to. You just shop online, you might be able to find a used one of these, but man, that is so awesome. Really, really aesthetic. I'm really happy with it. So make sure to like, subscribe, swing by my website, MITSUBISHI.com. Check out some goodies on there. Man, I really love this car. I know you guys like my Toyota Celica, but I really love the FRS. I kind of want a GR86, but the truth be told is my wife drives this car. That it would probably just be better to just do forced induction on this. So that'd be pretty fun to do a nice little forced turbo on this little thing, a little turbo. I'm not about the supercharger on this. Definitely a supercharger on my Lotus. That'd be cool to do that. So make sure to like, subscribe, swing on MITSUBISHI.com. Hope you found this helpful and entertaining. It's really good. Really nice, quick, easy aesthetic. See you guys on the next video.